Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 right here. You can see Series 7. So this is red aluminum case, red sports band, and if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. First off, I'm going to just take this off this way and check out how it looks like. And okay, I'm gonna put this one here. That is the band. I think this is the manual, and let's check out this first. What's in this? So we have some manuals too right here, basically everything. I'm never sure people do still read manuals of products actually, because I barely do that myself. And this is the charger. So this is how it looks like. You take it off like this, and then you're gonna see it this way. So that is the charger. And let's check out the band before we come to the main deal. So this is the band. Yeah. Okay, so this is the bands. We have red right here. You can see the two bands. That's cool, man. This is how it looks like. These are the bands. And let's check out the main deal right here. You can see the watch, the Apple Watch, and it's in its case. You take it out. Wow, when you look at it closely, it's very slick. Seriously, there's the back of it. I'll actually set it up and then share with you guys how it looks like. So this is the on and off button, and this is actually where you're going to be able to use it to control the whole watch. So this is it's a boot, and let's see how it looks like. And yeah, so literally this is the unboxing of this, and that is basically very cool. Okay, so low battery, you can see right here it says low battery. To continue on Apple Watch, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So you can see right here. Yeah, so I'm actually going to turn it off, and so let's say you turn it off like this. Yeah, good. So I'll charge it, and then we see how this looks like on the real. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be sharing with you more unboxing and then apps you can use on your devices. And I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.